Hello guys, thank you very much for joining me. This is Roy Machingora. Welcome back to Pip Valley, your channel where we give you pre-market analysis for the Euro USD and the USD ZAR pair. Apologies for doing it late this weekend. As always, I'm going to start with the Euro USD. So I'm not going to look at the monthly analysis as I have already done so in the video with the link above. So if you want to just watch the monthly analysis, just go ahead and click that link and watch it, and then come back to this video so that you just get a picture of where we are expecting our movements in the monthly analysis. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into our analysis. We can notice that mainly we've got the price is moving in an upward trend. So this is our trend, and we don't want to trade against this trend which is moving upwards. And also the second thing is that we noticed that the price once broke this zone and then it retested this zone, right? And we can notice that this zone managed to hold as a support zone, and now we're expecting the price to continue movement to the upside. So this means that we can regard this movement as a corrective movement, or it was a retracement, and now we're expecting the price to move all the way to the upside. So having said that, now let's get into the analysis of our price action, right? So what we can notice is that upon retest of this zone, we can notice that the price formed a reversal pattern. So we can notice this morning star or bullish engulf, and also we can notice that there is a three-wide soldier pattern, right? So this means that this zone is held as a support zone. So we'll be in the coming week, what we'll be expecting is that since the price has formed a higher high, we'll be expecting the price to pull back a bit and then form a higher low before the price moves all the way to the upside. Alternatively, in terms of the bullish movement, what we'll be expecting is that since there's been a strong bullish movement here, we may expecting it to just continue, and then the price will just reach 1.22516 in the coming week. To avoid directional bias in the coming week, what we can also expect bearish movements, but as I have said, the bearish movement would likely be a corrective one, right? Which means that the price will be seeking to come and retest this zone, maybe seeking to form a higher low, right? But what can happen is this direction to the downside might be actually strong, and then in the coming week we may witness a strong bearish move which may close maybe below 1.18476. These are the movements that we are expecting in the coming week, but with mainly we're expecting movement to the upside, right, where the price will seek to test 1.22516, or where the price might just pull back before moving all the way to the upside. So we can now move on to the daily chart. So we can notice a series of higher highs and higher lows which has been formed over the days, right, or over the weeks. So so this indicates that there is some bullish pressure that is going to the upside. So having said that, what we'll be expecting is that the price is going to continue the higher formation of higher highs and higher lows. So in the coming week, what we'll be expecting is that the price is going to pull back from this higher high and form another higher low, and if it forms a higher low, then we are going to long the position and waiting for the price to move to the upside, maybe up to this zone. And in a case where maybe the price just on the weekly chart it comes to seek to retest this zone, what we'll be expecting is that upon reversal, right, from this high, the price is going to form a lower high, pull back to a lower low, pull back to form a lower high, and then come to retest this zone. And in that case where the price is going to break below 1.18378, we'll then expect the movement to the downside to continue in a series of lower lows and lower highs. But however, we are expecting the bullish movements to have a higher probability than the bearish movements. So these are the movements that we'll be expecting in the coming week as far as the Euro USD is concerned. Thank you very much guys for joining me. I hope you are having a great weekend. That leaves me to say, manage your risk well, grind the markets with grit. Roy Machingora out.